name is Ivy, and I'm a health educator with CLA. We run 6 farmers markets across Los Angeles, and I'm here at the farmers market to pick up some fresh strawberries that will be featured in today's recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to add strawberries to a satisfying strawberry kale coleslaw that is packed with great nutrients. To shred the kale, start by removing the stem and cutting along the sides of the stem and pulling down. Roll the kale and chop it finely. Add 3 cups of shredded cabbage to large bowl with 4 cups of shredded kale. For dressing, whisk together 3/4 of a cup of plain fat-free Greek yogurt, 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and season with salt to taste. Pour dressing over kale and cabbage and toss to evenly coat. Add in 8 ounces of sliced fresh strawberries and gently toss and serve immediately.